Hello beauties, welcome again to Wendy Styles. I just want you guys to see this haircut. One thing with this haircut we have for you is that the other kind of hairstyle that will always offer that darling image. And it's a hairstyle that every beautiful black woman out there will love. You can see how classy this haircut is, and it's more inspired by this modern French style, and it's the best haircut for beautiful women who really want a fuller texture on their hair. One thing about the style is that it's a low maintenance style that will take many years off your age. You can enjoy this haircut and still get that classy finish because it will always demand minimal maintenance. And this haircut, you can see how gorgeous it is, making this beautiful woman to appear so sophisticated. I just love this haircut. It's really an actual gem because it's a hairstyle that is best for fine hair, and you can see it's a fine sassy short haircut for beautiful women over 50. I love this haircut. You can see how it manifests a bolder and more alluring vibe. Shorter hair suits petite features, and most time those beautiful matured women out there. Towards this edgy short cut will always look much even better on all face shapes. It will always recreate the style. So just try to use those smart base to always keep this haircut in place, because the haircut, you can see, has fun and edgy for you to always achieve the style. So the hair should be unwashed for 4 days, like trying to keep the coils. Then after that, you have to do lots of dry shampoo, teas and hairspray on it. I just love the style. It's so beautiful, it's so gorgeous, and you can see how it manifests that kind of border and more alluring vibe, because this hairstyle, you can see, is a haircut that will take many years of your age, and it's a beautiful style that will suit all face shape. So let me just let you guys to watch the beautiful styles we have for you, and I want you to see how it will always create those flattering angle, and we always draw attention to your face. God bless you everyone, and see you guys in my next video.
Go, rub it on and watch it go. Make yourself unstoppable. Dreams are irresponsible, but they're always possible. If you just believe, you could be so remarkable. Thoughts in my head, a collage and they spread. I'll be great one day, going off of my meds. No, I'm not giving up, no, I'm not giving in. I will make it to the top, taking off in the wind. I gotta make it, I'm saving every day to taste it. I'm patient, but my mind, it can hardly take it. I'm chasing a dream that I've had for several ages. A vacant, modern kingdom for the taking. Now that I've been put through hell, I never got anyone's help. I had to do it all myself. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness.